Hi, today for the VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. Now just we can see here that by pressing hold the power button we'll get access to the Google Assistant. Okay, if you just don't want to use the power key button to use the assistant, you want to just use it to turn it off, you should just first open the settings and scroll down to the system section, then tap here to the not to the system but to the shortcuts and accessibility, then tap here to the press and hold power button section, click here and switch launch assistant to power off menu, then just tap to OK, and now with the press and hold to the power key we can see the power off menu, so click to the power off icon. Now we can see that the screen is dark and this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.